welcome back to my channel. It's your girl T, and yes, look at this. We have some new locks going on. Oh my gosh, I'm so in love with this. I will link the information to this unit below, but I will also do a separate tutorial just on this unit, but I'm going to talk about this simple New Year's Eve look and how you can get it done. It was something fast and simple, no glitter, but yet still a glam. It's like a soft New Year's Eve glam, if you know what I mean. I'm loving it. I hope you guys enjoy my video. I totally do this look, this eye look on camera. I do not do the full face. If you guys want to see me do a full face instead of just the eyes, please let me know in the comments. Also, while you're here, I would so love it if you would give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell, you guys. That would mean everything to me. I hope you guys are loving my channel so far. I'm still so new to this, but I am loving it. I would love to read your comments and get your feedback, and let me know what you guys want to see from me. So I hope you guys enjoy. Keep watching and see this done, and I will see you guys on the next video. Oh my god, girl, this hair, I cannot get over it. Oh, I'm in love. Okay, anyways, moving on. I am going to prime my lids, and your girl's going to use light sand and the Tarte Shape Tape. This stuff will tape up your life, okay? No matter what is going on, it will stay strong. I'm not going to use my P. Louise this time. I'm just going to use this because I love it so much. Girl, let's roll into our Morphe palettes. We're going to play in the Morphe Babes today, and we're going to go into 39A. Can we just look at this palette? Because, girl, did you see that? It has everything. I'm going to start off with a light brown and then move into a darker brown. And y'all, I'm going to bring you in real close and personal, like you are like looking into my soul right now. And we're just going to blend. I don't pack this on and then pack and then go back and blend. Girl, I just put it on and blend. That's what I love about the Morphe palettes is like their shadows just blend so freaking nicely. It's just, oh, I imagine it would be like stepping on clouds, like so soft and smooth and fluffy. That's what I think about. That's what Morphe shadows blending on my eyelids are like. So I'm going to go into a little bit of a darker shade now, just to kind of deepen up that crease. And we're just kind of going for a New Year's Eve natural, smoky, glam kind of look today. And girl, just blend. When y'all, this is my cardio, okay? Is blending is your cardio. Just when you think you've blended, no, girl, you gotta go back and you gotta blend again. And now we're gonna go a little bit darker. Now this time I did pick up a smaller brush, so the first two shadows I did use the same fluffy brush. The third shadow, the dark one, I did go into a smaller brush to really get it into my crease. And then you see I went right back in with that big fluffy brush that I started with. And I blended up the top. So you guys have to excuse me because I'm kind of getting over a cold here. And I'm going on like 2 weeks, guys. I'm dying. So if I sound like a raspy old lady, I apologize. I'm going to cut that crease. You know, we're going to cut them like we cut the haters out of our lives, okay? And grab your Tarte Shape Tape again. And I'm just going to do like little half, 3/4 worth of a cut crease. You know, I don't like a full cut. I like that half, semi-half, whatever you call it. And we're just going to cut it. I'm just using a flat, nice, I think this is a dough color brush, actually. And I did not bust out the paintbrush for this, guys. I just threw that Shape Tape on my lid like, yes. Now I'm going to go into the Morphe 35M. I'm going to put the light shadow in the front. And all I'm doing is taking a flat brush and I'm pressing it onto my lid. Then I'm soon going to go into like, I'll flip the brush over and I'm going into like a coppery shimmer that is in the same palette. And I'm putting that on the end and then slightly kind of blending them nicely together. Like we are marrying them together. Like they are united. They are one on the lid, girlfriend. They are one on the lid. Now we're going to take the black. Now I'm going to need you to calm down. I need you to sit down and I need you to hold on to your seat. Okay? Are you listening? The black will take over your life. You will ruin your look if you let it go too far. Okay? Don't let it consume your soul. Very, very ever so lightly grab some black with a little bitty brush, place it on the outside of the lid and just blend it. See, I went too far. I had to go back in and add some shimmer on top of it. Then I went back. Girl, you just gotta be careful. This thing, you just gotta listen to me, Linda. Listen. Just be easy. Now I'm gonna use my NYX liner and I am going to do like a floating liner. I'm not going to do a wing. I start in the inner corner and I pull it out kind of high and then I go back and fill it in. Now I don't want a glossy look, so what I'm going to do is take some black matte shadow from 39A and I'm going to go back on top of that liner. I love wing liners. I'm just not the best at it. And when you're doing a smoky look, I feel, my personal opinion is I don't like a wing on a smoky look because like it's smoky on the outside. If you put a wing through it, it just doesn't fit in my opinion. If you love them, girl, rock it, and I'm sure you're gorgeous. It's just not for me. So I did like a floating one, so I still get the liner effect without the wing on it. Then I went back, and the trick is to this, to go back in that black very little bit. Remember, it'll take over your soul, and just blend it out to make it look like that liner just easily flowed into the black smoke of abyss that is on the end of your lid that makes you look so dramatic and flare and gorgeous, darling. And then just go back in with that big first fluffy brush and blend it all together. Marry it all together. Now I'm going to highlight my brow bone with the ring light from the James Charles palette, which again is a Morphe palette. So we've used 3 of them. This is actually a shadow, but I'm loving it for my highlight. And it's also what I use on my face, down the bridge of my nose, and on my cheekbones as well. So, darling, yes.